How to turn on activity status on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. And from the Account section, click on Privacy. And here, under the Discoverability section, you will see the Activity Status option with a toggle next to it that's turned off. So click on that toggle to turn it on. And as you can see, it tells you that when this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's activity status, and you will see each other's activity status only when both of you turn this on. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable the TikTok activity status. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.